It's Loco Monkey back with a brand new video, my boys, and today we're at the top of the motherfucking world, my boys. As you can see, there's a big waterfall right now. Look at this, bro. Look at those mountains, bro. Okay, so look at that, bro. Yeah, I don't know if this looks big on camera, but this is humongous, bro. Okay, so coming on the way here, guys, you actually see this big mountain, and you just go for hours and hours, and you just wonder where it leads up to. But then you eventually find out that we're at the top of this mountain, bro. This shit's hella high, dogs. Hella high. So big ass mountain is secretly just this spot. Hold on, let me get a thumbnail real quick. Ah, no, that's getting this, bro. This, I don't know if this looks high on camera, but this is fucking humongous. That's the top, bro. That's the very top. That's the highest peak you can get to in California. Some spooky shit. I'm just saying. Alright, what's up, guys? So now we are at a whole different location, my boys. We are actually at this place. So actually, no, I don't need that. So as you can see, there is a waterfall here, my boys, and I guess this is supposedly the biggest waterfall in all of North America. I don't know if it's this one or it's another one, but my boys, this one is big as fucking. I'll show you guys in a bit. Alright, my boys, so look at this. So we got all the scenario, and I don't know if y'all can see that a little. Oh my goodness, that shit's high as fuck. I'ma see if I can get all the way up there. But look at them, my boys. That's all the freaking rocks. Alright, my boys, so some more gibberish shit is that supposedly in the year 2058 this whole place will be destroyed by an enormous waterfall damage. Rest in peace, waterfall. Well, you guys, look at that. I don't know if y'all can see that, but look at that. Look at that. That there is gorgeous. You have this whole view. And then the water mist just blows at your face. Oh, boys, this is not something you see your whole life. Guys, look at this shit, bro. I can't even see this because I'm recording. Oh, yes, I can. Look at that. Look at that. My boy told me that shit ain't beautiful. Look at that. Look, tell me that ain't beautiful. Tell me that ain't beautiful. Alright, guys, so I've currently crossed. I don't know if y'all can hear me. I don't know if y'all can see that. But hold up. It's crazy, guys. I don't know, I'm trying to get it. I'm currently just filming, guys. I'm actually... Everything here is slippery as fuck, guys. It's all slippery as shit. And my dad's a fucking lunatic. Look at that shit, bro. That nigga said I'm Spider-Man and he said I'm out. Holy shit. Guys, I've got even crazier of that shit. I was all the way down there. The way you slip here is fucking insane, my boys. Look at me, bro. My shoes are wet. They're wet. But I'm bringing y'all that fire content if y'all please watch me, please. Okay, guys, so on the journey here up, this shit is kind of hard. I'm just saying. Hold on. Guys, I do not know if y'all can see this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Oh, shit. Getting closer now, my boys. Look at that shit. Closer. Can you guys see this view? Can you guys just look at this for a second? Look how insane this is. I don't know if y'all can even hear me. Just look at how insane this is, my boys. Look, I keep cleaning the camera lens. Just look at it. It's so high up. This is so beautiful. So beautiful, right?
Look at my dab. Look at my dab.